Today I'm going to do the unboxing and setup of your Canon Selphy CP1300 printer. So this is a photo printer, we can use it wirelessly. So let's unbox it and start using. Here we have the photo paper on the top. This is the paper loading tray. That's the ink cartridge, power cable, now we can open these sheets. Now the first thing is to install the ink cartridge. So remove it carefully from this sheet. Now go to this end. It says open. So you will see it says the arrow on the ink cartridge, like it shows here, goes inside. So if you take your printer and place it here and let it go, push it in, you hear a lock sound. Now you can close this section. Next step is to load the paper. So open the front door. For the paper you get this tray. We can just take it off. It says open. So lift it up. Now open this section like this. Place the paper. Close this section. Now don't close it because we have to print. Now take your printer, as we can see here, and just place it here. It goes in and you hear a little lock sound. Press the power button. Now wait for the printer to start. Now go to the screen, go to the wireless and click OK. Here we see it has a connection method. Select Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi network again. So click on the search for access point. Select your Wi-Fi network. Now click on the menu button. You should be able to see a keypad. Now key in your password. So once you key in the password, just go to the finish button and click OK. And click OK for the next. It's connected. Click OK or click home button. So the wireless setup is done. Next is to add this printer in your iPhone or any other device for wireless printing. Now go to the App Store and download the Canon Selphy app. You can open this app. Click plus button on the top. Here it will display Selphy CP1300 at the bottom. So select this printer. Instantly it will add up the printer. Now we can start printing. For example, to print a photo, select postcard size. Click OK. Now smartphone, any photo you want, and then once you are ready, click on the print view. Click OK. Go to the Canon Selphy print app. Here we have to add the printer, so click on the printer button on the top. Select your printer. Instantly it will show up here. Now select a photo to print from smartphone or any other photo you want. Here we can see this is the image. So here, and click on the print button. So let's see the print. So the way it prints is very different. You will see first yellow color, you might see another color, so one by one it prints all the colors. So here we can see it has printed. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer and we can start using it for wireless printing of the photos. Here, thanks for watching.